Overthinking is a silent thief. It makes no noise. No one can see it. Yet little by little, it steals your inner peace. You may be trapped in the past, filled with regret, or lost in the future, filled with worry. And slowly, your mind becomes a storm. If you are tired and truly want to find peace again, then today, the teachings of the Buddha will guide you back to yourself. 1. The past is gone. The future has not arrived. We often live in what does not exist. The past is already gone. The future has not yet come. Yet the mind keeps holding on. The Buddha taught, do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Only the present is where life truly happens. When you return to the present, your thoughts begin to settle, and peace slowly appears. 2. Thoughts are like passing clouds. The mind is like the sky. Thoughts are just clouds. They come and they go, but we try to hold onto them, analyze them, control them, and that is what exhausts us. Learn to simply watch your thoughts pass by, without clinging to them, like sitting by a river, watching leaves float, without reaching out to grab them. 3. Overthinking creates suffering. It is not life itself that causes suffering, but how we respond to it. The more you think, the more you suffer. We try to control everything, but life does not work that way. Ask yourself, is this something I can control? If not, let it go. Letting go is not giving up. It is freeing yourself. 4. Return to your breath. When the mind is restless, return to your breath. Breathe in. Know that you are breathing in. Breathe out. Know that you are breathing out. That is all. Yet the breath is the anchor that brings you back to the present. When the breath becomes calm, the mind follows. 5. Simplicity is freedom. Life is not complicated. We make it complicated. We worry too much. We think too much. While happiness is actually very simple. The Buddha taught, there is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. When you let go of excess, you become lighter. When you live simply, you become free. 6. Everything is impermanent. Nothing lasts forever. Your sadness will pass. Your worries will pass. Even these thoughts will pass. The Buddha taught, all conditioned things are impermanent. When you truly understand this, fear begins to fade, because you realize nothing stays the same forever. If you want to overcome overthinking, then return to the present moment. Let go of what you cannot control. Observe thoughts without attachment. Trust in impermanence. The mind can be the source of suffering, but it can also lead you to peace. All it takes is learning how to use it.